projections are wrong, and indeed we recognise that there will be significantly increased level of international protection seekers here in Ireland. We're seeing that all over Europe. We're designing a system that would have the capacity for up to 40,000 people, 14,000 of those beds provided for a new core of state-owned accommodation, and there will continue to be some reliance on commercial providers.
But it's on the basis of up to 16,000 people arriving every year and almost 11.
You see what O'Gorman has done here. He doesn't even know the numbers of people that are coming into the country. When this all started, it started with the Ukrainian war. We were told we were getting women and children only because the Ukrainian men had to stay. Then the first bait and switch happened. Then we noticed the country filling up with Ukrainian men. Then the next bait and switch happened. It went from Ukrainian war with refugees to IPAS, international protection applicants. We started seeing huge numbers of Africans, Arabs, Georgians, Pakistanis flooding into the country. No, they don't even talk about the Ukrainians anymore. That's gone, but we're left with what he says is 22,000 a year. It'll probably be more. You know, let's face it. And, you know, the repercussions from that then. This is why you can't afford to rent a house. This is why you can't afford to buy a house. This is why it's becoming increasingly difficult to get work. I spoke to someone yesterday who said they've never seen so many Africans driving trucks around the country, right? Because employers are being incentivized to take on foreign national drivers at the expense of local drivers. I spoke to a girl the other day who actually works for one of these IPAS bosses, and she said that all the Irish staff in the business are being forced out. They're being bullied to leave and then replaced with people who've come into the country under the international protection system. So slowly but surely this is encroaching on you, on your housing, on your job. And you know, the time for staying quiet is over, because a few more years of this, there will be nothing left of this country for anybody.